Hi, I'm Rhonda.
And I'm Allie.
We have a company called It's Only Money. What we do is we get surprise packages from eBay that are usually Amazon or Walmart or Target returns. And then we have a booth set up locally at Texoma Trading Post in Ardmore, Oklahoma. So what we want to do is show you kind of what we get. We have no idea. These boxes just came in. They were ordered as surprise boxes, so you're going to be as surprised as we are. And you can talk. Okay, open, sissy.
Okay, this box is from Coco Shop. Is that right?
It's called COKOS Shop in Columbia, South Carolina.
Okay.
You don't trust me with knives,
No,
so
I don't.
You can do it. It's awesome. It's taped. Wherever. There we go.
I had to find the right way to open it.
Oh, now I see what you're talking about.
It may not be straight, but hey, it'll be open.
We're hoping these are toys. That's kind of what we're going for right now. So here we go. First item up. Oh my gosh. If I can keep these toys away from my grandkids, I'll be okay. Yeah. It's called Construction Trucks for ages 3 and up. It has a shovel and it has the crane.
You get to build them yourself.
It's so cool. So what we do, Allie's going to look up the price, and what we do is we sell these in our booth for half off the suggested retail price. So she's got Amazon up, and we're going to hope that comes up. It's DIY Construction Trucks. Okay. Well, there's 2 of them. There they are. Right. No, let's take apart. That's not exactly. No, there's only 2 here, isn't there?
Yeah, but that one has 3.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Keep going.
Unless there is 3 in there and we just don't know it.
No, it just shows the 2. Wow. Okay, we'll figure it out. Looks like best guess is they're going to run for this package retail maybe $30. So that means we would put them for $15. Oh my gosh, this is easy. There's only 3 things in here.
We're not used to only having a few things in the box.
This one is a 4-wheeled drive friction stuntman. There's one in, it's a 360 spin. There's one in red and one in blue.
Of course, Amazon always brings up the big ride-alongs, not the little ones.
No, they're not the ride-alongs. You want did you put 3? Here's an item number. Here, let's do it this way. Nope.
Technical difficulties.
Anyway, these are cute. They're for ages 3 and up. They go all the way around. They're 4-wheel drive. I don't know how you, doesn't say anything about a battery or anything. But they're super cute. One's in red and one is in blue.
They go for about $12.81 brand new.
$12.81. Okay. So that means we'll put them out for $6.50-ish. So there's box number 1. Now then, let's assume, oops, box number 2 is different. So I don't know where
this came from the same person.
Yep, this is this is called, this first one was Mystery Toy Surprise Bundle Cars, Trains, etc. But that's okay. We can do pretty good.
I like how they tape these boxes, though.
That is good, because our shipping is not always great.
No.
Uh-oh. Hang on, I got a knife over here
somewhere.
I got
it. There we go.
Ooh. Okay.
We got some dinosaurs.
Yeah, we got dinosaurs. These sell for they sell for $19.99 a bag, because I have some and we're selling them for $10. I had some that were barnyard, and then these. So I know these sell, so that is a good deal.
We got some more friction powered City Squad trucks.
City Squad trucks. These are friction powered. They are, I'm looking for an age on here.
3 and up also.
All of these are 3 and up. So we will have to put Company 6 City Squad. Okay, let's see what we come up with here. Books. Amazon's just not being kind to us today.
Company 6 City Squad. Trucks, is that what you call them? eBay, $15.99.
So that's $8.
Well, the guy that we got them from sells them for $15.98. So yeah.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna have to look up what the actual, but that's what eBay is selling them for. Is $15.98. So I'll have to look up and see what retail is.
Oh,
but
this
that's pretty good.
Cute.
We're worse than kids.
A
Oh,
fire
how
garage.
cute! It is a fire garage for fire trucks. Oh my gosh, you have to put it together, which she's a pro at.
When you have 3 boys, you have to.
Ages 3 and up. It's called Fire Garage. It's got the little handle on it.
Fire garage. Is that it?
Uh-huh.
DIY.
Oh, and look, it's got the little place where
Oh, it has a map.
Brand
New. From the guy we got them for, sells them for $24 each.
So there you go.
And it also has a police one.
Oh, how fun! The police as well as the fire. Yay!
Is it the police garage also?
That's all right. Should be about the same.
I always make sure. $24 also.
So there we go. We'll go accordingly since it's we haven't found it. If I can find it on Amazon, I will do that. So these go with this. Okay, next up we have another one.
There's one right there.
This one's the same supplier. We figured those out.
I'm afraid of opening the wrong end and then everything falling out at us.
Well, does it open?
Yeah.
That way too? From the top? Oh, is it up in the middle?
I don't know. This is one of the, it's one of these boxes. But it has the pull tab.
Oh, too easy, sis. Too easy.
I don't trust her with a knife to save my life. There we go.
Okie doke. Oh, looky here. This one we have Ocean World. Oh, this has sharks. It has, look at all that. Is that not cute? I haven't seen these, so this will be a good deal.
Figurines.
Animal World Ocean. Yeah, I found those, so that should all be about the same time. We got more dinosaurs, big dinosaurs. Everywhere we go, we see kids with these dinosaurs. So we know those will sell good.
1826.
There they are. 1826. So there you go. Now the last one on this box is called Fire Truck. Friction powered fire truck. Ages 3 and up. So all of these are toys 3 and up, which I think probably will fit our demographic very well.
Like you said, we got to keep them away from the grandkids.
Yeah, if I can keep them away from the grandkids.
Does it have a brand on it?
No. City Fleet.
That's what I put in.
City Fleet. I'm gonna guess. What's that one? No, that's not it.
Man, that looks very
This
similar.
is pretty close, and it's $14.99 on eBay. So we'll, on eBay prices, we do discount less than that. But now we don't do 50%. So on that one. So okie dokie, we're getting closer. Oh, I have no idea. My assumption is that opens down the front, right here.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, yay. Hang on, I got it. I know you don't trust me, but I'm doing it away from you. Okay, here we go. We have farm animals. These sold very well, so I'm very happy about that. Now then, let's see I don't know how to get out of, oh, here's some more roller trucks. You get that one out. What do we have here? This one is Travel Adventures Friction Power There is a school bus, a airplane, and a what?
Looks like a
Train. These are so cute. Yeah, an airplane, a train, and a school bus. Ages 3. All of these are kind of basically the same thing, so we're all going to assume that they're all going to sell for about the same price. Oh, looky here. We have a tow truck. All kids have to have a tow truck to tow their Matchbox cars, and so when they go down. So we will, there you go. All of these should be around the same price. And last but not least, flip back ramp. This comes with 2 cars and this yellow ramp. I hope you can see, so they can flip it and make it go backwards. So I am sure that will be a humongous hit. She's looking it up. Flip back. Monster Racing League flip back. Or stunt car, friction stunt car, all of the above.
More of all the above.
We're not getting anything. What I do is I go through Amazon and eBay, etc. These sell for $24.99 for this one. So, okay. We just have a couple of little more things that we got to figure out. There's 2 of these bee purses. I'm going to open one. There's one in pink and one in, 2 in pink. So we're going to open these just so,
this is,
so I can show you what it is.
this is kind of a bronze, they're both the same color.
Yeah.
They're kind of a
bronzy
brown pink.
So which one you want to open?
Let's do this one since I got it right here.
Oh, looky, we got it. These may not make it past granting at this time. I will take one out so I can show it since I have 2. And it's a crossbody bag.
Which are very popular right now.
Yeah, and this could be used for kids or adults. It's small, but it is so cute. My 11-year-old granddaughter would love this, I think.
What do you call these?
I don't know. There's just a texture to that. So that is most cool. And with that came she's going to look that. Well,
this brand new MSRP is $69.
Oh, wow.
Each.
Well, so we'll put them on there. We'll see what they're selling for around town and then go from there. We have a couple of places here in town. There's one here for $40, similar to it.
That's $40 because this has got the magnetic.
Okay, $30, and that's on eBay. But now look at these. Are these not cute? Their brand name is
Sea Kai Run.
Sea Kai Run. They're size 11. They're called Tenny Gray. They're boys' little shoes, perfect for back to school. So these should be really nice.
And they're accepted by the American Podiatric Medical Association.
Okay. So we should be that should be a good deal. Let's see if she can find that really quick while I look up some of this other fun stuff.
Little tennis shoes. $19 brand new.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, we have 2 pair of these Plunder crosses. They are teeny-tiny. They're turquoise with, I'm assuming, like little zirconia stones and gold around them. They are just precious. And one of those will probably make it to the flea market. To our booth, but the other one may not. They're $13 on eBay, plus shipping and handling. Okay. Here is some Colorgram Red Bomb Tint. I'm assuming that I got the same color. There's 2 of those in here. So we got 2, 2, and 1. I will tell you that I did open the other one, and there was another pair in here, and I've already given them, put them up for my grandson for his first day at preschool. I'm that way.
Now they go for $19.74 each.
On eBay. So.
I'm assuming it's a lip stuff.
It doesn't say, well, that one.
Yeah, it's a lip balm, like a
lip
stain. That's the word I'm looking for.
Oh, lip tint. Yeah, now it says tint. Okay.
It's
so
a very
we got
pretty
some
color,
makeup.
though.
It is pretty. It would be great.
Yep.
There you have it. I want to give you our contact information. You can follow us on Facebook at It's Only 2, the numerical 2, and on TikTok, It's Only Money 30. Our Gmail address is It's Only Money 25@gmail.com. And I'll make sure we put all this information. So, and I hope you will follow us as we get some more of this stuff, and I will take you along when we go to our booth so you can see what we're doing. We thank you, and I thank Allie for all her help, even though she was pretty quiet. And we hope to see you next time. Have a great day.
Bye.